It's after 7. Daniel just went out to work and I said goodbye to him, so I figured I'd get on my way too.
An hour passed as I drove through the Minnesota sunrise, though it was time to stop and take a quick walk.
Just taking an early morning walk somewhere outside of Minneapolis and St. Paul. Daniel and I had been going on walks a ton the past bunch of days, but I haven't done any sort of stretching and I just feel stiff as a board. I think I might do some exercise here. I did a couple push-ups and sit-ups, but it's pretty cold out and not fun to do it on the cement, so I'm going to need to find a gym membership sooner or later. For now, this is beautiful. Seeing the sunrise through the trees, it's great.
But like with many things, the beauty was short-lived. The sun rose, and western Minnesota was about as exciting as high school math class. At least the gas prices were cheap.
I've been driving all morning, and I think it would be a cool idea to stop here in Sioux City.
Apparently it's pronounced Sioux City. Kinda dumb. As dumb as this slow truck in front of me. But it was shaping up to be a good day. For the first time since leaving home, I was about to hit a state that I'd never been to.
Welcome to South Dakota.
Thank you. At long last, I hit a state that I haven't been to yet. I'm not going to be spending too much time in South Dakota. Well, let's go check out that city I can't pronounce.
Despite getting farther from home, I saw South Dakota had some comfortable staples like Qdoba and Popeyes. What a warm welcome. Also, there were waterfalls here.
One thing I'm super excited about is just the weather here. It's 75 degrees. I was bundled up in Minnesota wearing my hoodie and my sweatpants all the time, but it feels so good to be back in my shorts and my t-shirt. Looks like that train hasn't really moved for a while. It was going pretty slow to begin with, but I guess people just take their sweet time here in South Dakota. Blech. Usually I keep my car looking pretty nice, but driving through the Midwest has made it gross looking. I need to go clean this off somewhere.
My cousin texted me who was hanging in Denver. Joining sounded like fun, but to get there, there'd be a lot of ground to cover. Maybe there would be things along the way to see in South Dakota.
There's nothing here. There's absolutely nothing here.
Or at least, not for a while. A few hours through the abyss, and there was finally something there. The flat land took shape once again, and a huge reservoir appeared. With the sun fading, I only stopped for a quick walk by it. I still had a ways to go. My long day had started with a sunrise in Minnesota and ended with a sunset in Nebraska.